Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to study with another topic, that is otitis media, which is important for the exam. Otitis media. Here, it is the infection and inflammation of the middle ear. That is, otitis media is nothing but it is the infection and inflammation of the middle ear. Otitis media. It is the infection. It is the infection and inflammation. Inflammation of the middle ear. It is the infection as well as inflammation of middle ear. Ear. This is the middle ear. This one is the ear. Here, this is the Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. It is connected from the middle ear to the throat as well as nose. Eustachian tube. This is the responsible for the infection of the middle ear. This one, Eustachian tube. It is responsible for causing infection. Infection of what? Infection of middle ear. Infection of middle ear. Here, next we'll see the causes. Causes for otitis media. Here, what are all the causes for otitis media? Here, causes are bacteria and viruses. Bacteria and viruses. Viruses are responsible for what? For causing infection and the inflammation. Here, first one. This one is a respiratory syncytial virus. This is the cause. This is very important. RSV, that is respiratory syncytial virus. And then pneumococcal. This is a microorganism. And then influenza. And then here respiratory syncytial virus is a very important. And then staphylococcus. This is the cause. Here main cause is bacteria and virus. This is all about the causes for otitis media. Next we will see the signs and symptoms. That is clinical features. Here otalgia. Otalgia is nothing but a ear ache, pain in the ear. And then redness of a ear. And then bulging of the tympanic membrane. These are the possible causes. And then fever, Fever is also a clinical features for the otitis media. Here infection and inflammation both are present, and then that infection leads to inflammation. Here clinical features are otalgia. Otalgia is nothing but a pain in the ear or earache, ear pain. And then redness of ear we can see, and then bulging of tympanic membrane, and then after that fever is also we can see, and then malaise. Malaise is nothing but a physical discomfort. These are the signs and symptoms or clinical features we can say. Next we'll see the treatment. Treatment for otitis media. First and foremost, have to treat the cause of spreading infection. Treat the cause of spreading infection, and then tropical antibiotics. Tropical antibiotics can be used. Antibiotics can be used. Here one trick is that for the adults, always pull the pinna upward and backward to straight the tube. And for the 3 years and the less than 3 years child or children, we can do is always pull the pinna downward and backward to instill the eardrops. Here have to treat the cause. After that, tropical antibiotics can be given, and then use corticosteroids. Corticosteroids can be used in the ear. This is all the treatment of otitis media. I hope you all are clear with the topic otitis media. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.